Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, unang pangatangan mo. What do you consider your primary responsibilities as a school leader?
Thank you for that wonderful question. As a school head, it's my primary responsibilities is to ensure that all the teachers and learners are in a right track. Part of my responsibilities are planning how to uplift or improve way of teaching of all the teachers, as well as also improve the teaching strategies they employ during the classroom instruction, so that they will be guided on their learning competencies. Aside from that, another responsibilities of mine are the school head will guide the teachers on passing or complying all the requirements ahead of time, just like the preparation of their lesson plans, also upgrading their personal engagement. So that's it.
Next, ma'am. How do you manage conflicts among staff, students, or parents?
So far, during my stay here in Maglambing, as far as I can recall, there is a minor conflict, but I address it right away so that it would not lead to misunderstanding and conflict among teachers. So ang gihimo lang nako is magsinabdanay ta kay we are in one umbrella. We are not competing each other, but we should help each other to improve our institution as well as our learners. Of us normal that there are some instances nga because of the individual differences, right? So i-lead lang sila nga we are in one umbrella, that no need to argue but we settle for a common goals for the good of our learners. So that's it.
Okay, so last question is, what are the biggest challenges you face as a school head today?
Challenge is we lack classrooms. The school MOA will not suffice all the needs, especially the travel, sending funds for travel in attending trainings, attending competitions. But I cannot compromise the learning experience of the learners, not to send them to that particular contest because of that shortage of funds. So mag-source outing jud mi, mag-sourcing para lang maka-attend ang mga bata. Mag-fund sourcing, I mean, tanan i-extract nga paagi para lang matagaan sila og fund.
Thank you, ma'am.